In this video, I will show you how you can slow down your video. First you have to select tools, then power tools, then you have to select video speed and speed adjustment. From here you can see the video duration which will be made after doing the editing. From here you can preview the option. If you want to slow motion a certain part of video, then you have to create a time shift. Then you have to select the part of video you want to make slow motion. Suppose I'm selecting from 19 seconds to 25 seconds. You can see the video is playing normally in the first part. And now the video is slowed down. You have to select the speed multiplier, which amount of speed you want to set.